Today I'm in a very wild area near Steg. I will enjoy now my walk with Lilu and Ariane. Here we go, that's Switzerland, man. Geil. The Rocky Mountains, man, in Switzerland. I have a little wood in my hand and I will make it out with my hatchet. That was a really huge mountain, but we did it. Geil. And that in your age. Nice dog. We need all the power we had to do this, but with the bananas we are strong, man. Look, he can't go on. He's really exhausted. Look at him. Eine. Attention! Stones! Like the paradise. It's awesome, beautiful in Switzerland. That was my tour today. I started downhill. I followed the river and then I climbed very steep uphill to the farmer with the Alphorn, and then I crossed and crossed and crossed and crossed and crossed and crossed, and I run the way here back uphill now to the beautiful forest, and now I'm here.